A 30-minute side hustle creates financial freedom. Hi everybody, Joe Barkley here from joebarkley.com. Coming to you again from our home on beautiful Loon Lake in the Adirondacks of northern New York. And in this short video, I want to tell you about a 30-minute side hustle that creates financial freedom. I work this side hustle myself. In fact, it is the only business I build. And before we get going, if you're new to my YouTube channel, be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post new videos every week and I want to be sure you get the information. If you're not familiar with the concept, a side hustle is a job or activity you take on to earn additional income. More and more people are turning to side hustles to make ends meet. There are all kinds of side hustles to choose from. Depending on what you do, you can earn anywhere from a few extra dollars to a substantial amount of money. Recently, I posted a video about online side hustles. I'll put a link to it up here so you can check it out. When I talk about creating financial freedom, I'm talking about creating both the free time and the money to do the things you want to do when you want to do them. Reaching a state of financial freedom seems to be getting increasingly difficult with the current economy and constantly rising prices on almost everything. In this video is about using a side hustle to get you there. I feel strongly that it doesn't matter how much money you make if you do not have the free time to enjoy it too. The challenge with most side hustles is that to create significant income requires committing significant time too. It's almost like taking on another job, and there are only so many hours in the week. And that's what makes this 30-minute side hustle so appealing. Anyone can free up 30 minutes per day if they really want to. I first got involved in the home business industry over 30 years ago. It was a side hustle called network marketing. Like so many side hustles, it took time, a lot of time. It eventually became my full-time income for about 15 years. The money was good, but there was no time freedom. It was almost like working another job. But then not long ago, I stumbled onto something. It was a 30-minute side hustle. My buddy Nick shared a 180-page ebook he wrote. In it, he lays out what he calls the 30-minute workday escape plan. This book is actually his daily routine. In the ebook, he outlines in detail his little-known formula for creating monthly cash flow online in 30 minutes or less per day. 30 minutes, bingo. Time and money freedom in 30 minutes per day. That's the side hustle I was looking for. And here's what's really cool. Following his blueprint, you don't need to build a website. You don't need your own products. You do not need to deal with any customer service headaches or inventory. You don't even need any technical knowledge or skill. In the ebook, Nick details the 3 simple steps to generating unlimited income on demand the easy way, online, while letting other people do all of the hard, techie, time-consuming, and expensive stuff for you. He reveals, in simple-to-follow detail, how to make your first $100,000 online in just 30 minutes per day, following 3 simple steps. And it really is beginner simple. I'm convinced almost anyone can do it. I almost can't believe it, but Nick is allowing me to give away free copies of this ebook, no strings attached. It's available for immediate download, and you can duplicate what he does starting today. Click on the link below to get immediate access to your free copy of the 30-minute workday escape plan ebook. Grab it now while it's still free, read it, copy exactly what it shares, and you'll be on the path to creating financial freedom in 30 minutes per day. I think it is the ultimate side hustle, so go ahead and click on the link now. I hope this short video helps you find financial freedom. Feel free to reach out to me with questions at any time. You can read this and many more marketing tips at my blog at joebarkley.com. While you're there, be sure to pick up a copy of my free ebook. It will show you how to cut years off the learning curve and take the fast track to success by copying what works. And to stay up to date with my latest videos and proven marketing tips, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Again, I'm Joe Barkley. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you again soon.